going to construct viable arguments and critique the reasoning of others. We're talking about the hypotenuse leg congruence there. Oh, hello there. Thank you for clicking on this video, page 387. Let's actually get into it. You have a highlighter. You're going to need to highlight the habits of mind. That's what mathematicians are doing. This lesson, this page right here, is related to our learning goal. Our learning goal, one of them is prove the hypotenuse leg congruence theorem. So we are in the sweet spot for why this is a lesson for us to do. You know, many congruence theorems apply to all triangles. Some theorems apply only to right triangles, and you've already proved the hypotenuse angle congruence theorem. It was in our cards from the previous topic. Methods for proving that two right triangles are congruent are somewhat shorter. You can prove that two right triangles are congruent using only two measurements. In this case, hypotenuse leg. Well, let's see. Let's actually explain why you only need two pairs of corresponding parts to prove that two right triangles are congruent. Honestly, it's because there's a secret third component. The 90-degree angle. Like the guy that says, let's get ready to rumble. I mean, honestly, we don't have to mention it. We already know that we're mentioning there's a 90-degree angle in the triangle. So technically, hypotenuse leg is a hidden, so HL, right, for hypotenuse leg, is a hidden angle side shortcut. No, that's not an angle side shortcut. It's a hidden side angle side shortcut, which means if you know two sides and the angle between them, then you have, well, I guess that the hypotenuse and the leg would not have the 90-degree between them. This is actually a hidden and correct side angle, and I have to write it that way. If I write it the other way around, it sounds like a swear word. Or a donkey. Yeah, this is a hidden donkey shortcut. Okay, so hypotenuse leg is actually using the fact that we have a 90-degree angle. We don't have to mention that there's a 90. H does that for us. H only shows up on 90-degree triangles. Okay, second question. Are all right angles congruent? Yes. Thanks, Euclid. I mean, if you don't know who that is, were you paying attention? Euclid is the guy that wrote the first geometry book that we have access to. I mean, there might have been others, but he gets the credit because he was the librarian at the library in Alexandria, and he put together the 5 postulates, and one of the 5 postulates says all right angles are congruent. Like it doesn't even need proof. We just get it for free. We get that right angles are congruent. Through an example, you have used constructions and measurements to demonstrate that all right triangles with a given leg length and hypotenuse length are congruent. That was our example on page 386. So therefore, let's prove this conjecture is true in all cases on the next video in the next example. See you on page 388. All right, bye.